We gather here to heal ourselves. We are cosmic warriors with the high awareness that conflict energy is a wounded energy. By calibrating to oneness, we reconnect to all that is. Through multidimensionality and oneness, you are connected to everything. Let us begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Back straight, feet planted on the floor. In the presence of Source, we call forth our spirit families to join us. We invite the pieces that make who you are, the upper dimensions, the angelic realm, and all light beings to join us in this effort. We'll first ground multidimensionally and protect our energetic field. This will allow us to discern what belongs to us and what does not. Let us start with deep breaths. Close your eyes. Take a long, slow, deep breath. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, and out 1, 2, 3, 4. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Drop into 0-point space, where all of who you have ever been and will be are one. Gently observe your breath. Imagine source energy from the 12th dimension and beyond. See a divine column of light and love from above surrounding you. Breathe. Bring your awareness to consciousness infinite beyond space and time. Breathe. In this light and awareness, awaken your crown. Feel the divine light stream through the crown to the third eye. To the throat chakra. To the heart chakra. To the solar plexus. To the sacral chakra. To the root chakra. Breathe. See the light tunneling through earth to the crystalline core. Let's imagine our roots connecting to Gaia's inner crystalline core. Tap into the energy of the crystalline core, following your breath's pace. Feel and draw in the crystalline energy through your roots. Pull it up to your root chakra, to your sacral chakra, your solar plexus, your heart chakra, your throat chakra, third eye chakra, through to the crown, to the 3 chakras above your head, 36 inches. Breathe. Allow the energy from the earth crystalline core expand within you. Feel it through every cell. Imagine it revitalizing, healing, cleansing. Tap into the vast ocean of pure consciousness. Connect to the layers of your spirit body. Feel your connection to all that is divine. Taking in your fill of light, energy that supports you. Imagine your roots retracting back into your body. And now allow the column of light, filled with all you need, is now your shield and your energy source. Following your breath, gently place your hands over your heart chakra. Tell your nervous system it's okay. Relax. We are safe. Think about your hands on your heart chakra. Feel their weight. Feel their warmth. Feel the protection, feeling of hands over your heart. Focus on your breath. Bring your thoughts and your focus to the space right behind your eyelids. It might look like a dark space. It might look like colors and shapes. Focus on that space right behind your eyelids. Bring your awareness into your body and be present. Breathe. Let's now establish the heart coherence, connecting to someone, something, some being, or some situation that matters to you. Think of what you feel so very grateful, so very fortunate to have in your life. What and who do you feel incredibly grateful for? Tap into that sense of gratitude. Say to yourself, thank you, thank you, thank you. Pull this gratitude frequency into your awareness. You are raising your frequency to the vibration of gratitude. Gently focus expanding your positive vibration through your heart and up through your crown and into the space that you are in. Breathe. Allow yourself to use your imagination to breathe in through your heart, out through the top of your crown chakra, out to an issue that concerns you or someone you care about. That someone could be you. Breathe. Allow the positive vibration from your spirit body that surrounds you to move through your heart chakra, expanding and out through your crown chakra to envelop the issue or the person. Breathe. Feel the incredible feeling of gratitude moving through your spirit body, gently expanding your powerful vibration of gratitude into love. Breathe in love through your heart and out through your crown. Expand that energy into joy. Breathe in joy through your heart and out through your crown. Expand the energy into peace. Breathe in peace through your heart and out through your crown. Expand the energy into enlightenment. Breathe in enlightenment through your heart and out through your crown. Gently moving your focus from yourself or the issue or the person to earth. Rise above, seeing the blue planet. Send your loving intentions. Breathing in through your heart and out through your crown. Send joy to every corner. Send love to every mind. Send peace to every heart. Breathe in healing from your spirit body, out through your crown to the world. Breathe in and out to your crown your positive intentions for humanity. Let us hold our desires for ourselves and for humanity in our heart. Let our actions and our words manifest at this time. And so it is. Taking your time, gently move your head, your lens. Slowly open your eyes. There is no rush. Take your time.